Hi, my name is Bill Ross. I'm a personal trainer with Vintage Fitness. We specialize in older adults and seniors. We are all specially certified to train seniors. And today I'm going to demonstrate how we should do a squat. I'm going to turn sideways. Now, most people when they squat, if they don't know how to do it correctly, will try and stay upright and they will go down like this and their knees will go out past their toes. Another thing that happens too is that people do start the squat correctly. You start by engage the glutes, engage the core, put your hands together or keep them in front of you. Start by going backwards and down until your hips are about level with your knees and come back up. One of the problems we see is that people when they squat, their heels will start to come off the floor. So you can just limit the range of motion. Do a half squat. If that happens, you go down halfway and come up. But the important thing is that you go backwards here so that the knees stay back